Hello, friends. Welcome back to Bridging the Gap, the episodes where we uncover tools and strategies to help you thrive in every area of life. I'm Sanchita, and today we are diving into a simple yet life changing method to supercharge your productivity, the Pomodoro Technique. If you've ever struggled to stay focused, found yourself procrastinating, or felt overwhelmed by your to do list, this episode is for you. By the end of this episode, together we will have a clear understanding on how the Pomodoro technique works, why is it so effective, and how to tailor it to your unique needs. Now let's understand what is this technique all about. The Pomodoro technique was created by Francisco Cirillo in late 1980s. It's named after the Italian word for tomato because Cirillo used a tomato-shaped kitchen timer to develop this method. Now, what is the core idea behind it? You work for 25 minutes, which is a single Pomodoro, followed by a 5-minute break. After completing 4 Pomodoros, you take a longer break, usually for 15 to 30 minutes. The goal is to create focused bursts of work punctuated by restorative breaks. It's deceptively simple yet incredibly powerful. Think of it as a mental sprint. By committing to just 25 minutes, you bypass the resistance that often accompanies starting a task. It is a game changer for beating procrastination and building the momentum. Now, why do you think this technique works? The Pomodoro technique leverages several psychological principles. Time constraint. When you set a time, you create a sense of urgency. Your brain shifts into let's get this done mode, reducing distractions and increasing your focus. Restorative breaks. These short breaks allow your mind to reset, preventing and maintaining high energy levels throughout the day. Third, chunking. By breaking tasks into manageable intervals, you reduce the overwhelm of big projects and make consistent progress. Accountability. The timer serves as a gentle nudge to stay on track. It's like having a coach cheering you on in a real time. Many of my coaching clients have shared how this technique has transformed their productivity. One of my clients went from feeling stuck in a sea of tasks to completing projects ahead of schedule simply by adopting this method. Now let's look at how to use this technique. Are you ready to try it? Here's our the step-by-step guide to it. Choose a task. Begin with it. Pick one thing to focus on. It could be writing a report, responding to emails, or studying for an exam. Set your timer. Start with 25 minutes. Commit to working on your chosen task for that time without distractions. Work with intensity. Dive in. Keep your mind wanders, gently bring it back to the task. Take a 5-minute break. Step away from your desk. Stretch, grab a glass of water, or take a few deep breaths. Repeat this. After 4 Pomodoros, take a longer break to recharge. You can tweak the intervals to suit your needs. Some people find 50-minute work sessions with 10-minute breaks more effective. But the key to this is consistency. How do you maximize your results? Let's look at some of that. To make your Pomodoro technique more effective, you need to eliminate distractions. Turn off notifications, put your phone on silent, and let others know you are in focus mode. Prioritize your tasks. Start with your most important or challenging tasks when you or your energy is highest. Reflect and adjust. After each session, note what worked and what did not. Use this feedback to refine your approach. Use apps like Focus Keeper or Tomato Timer. These will help you stick to the technique. The Pomodoro technique isn't just a tool, it is a mindset shift. It's about honoring your focus and making time work for you, not against you. So, with that, we come to the end of the episode today. I want to thank you for joining me on this deep dive into the Pomodoro technique. Remember, it's not about perfection, it's about the progress. Start small and give yourself grace as you build this habit. So, I want to give you an actionable this week. Choose one task and commit to completing a single Pomodoro today. Experience the momentum it creates and share your journey with me. Let's celebrate your wins together. If this episode resonated with you, share it with someone who could benefit. Let's continue to bridge the gap, one mindset shift at a time. So, with that, until next time, I want to remind you to focus, break, and thrive. Take care. Bye bye.